We're going to do an LTO menu item from the home screen, off screen, or on screen. You can hit the home button, recipes, code is 1650, check mark, hit the plus sign, name the product. I'm going to name this one test, hit the check mark. Segmented, non-segmented cooking means segmented is multiple set points for boned-in chicken. Non-segmented is a single set point. Most of your LTOs will be a non-segmented. First thing comes up is temperature. We're going to set the temperature for 340. Next thing that comes up will be the time. We're going to put 1 minute or 10 minutes. And then we're going to do sensitivity. That's stretch time. We're going to put a number 5 if you guys don't know it. I'm going to scroll down again. Alarm is just shake or stir. I'm going to put a 30-second shake time. We don't need an alarm 2. You need the filter on the on. That will count down your cooks, so you'll filter when you're prompted to. We're going to put a count of 15 in the filters. And then if you have a hold time, you can hit the hold time and put your hold time in. We're going to put check mark. I would use a blank picture, not to confuse everybody with any of the other products that are in the fryer. Hit check, and then this puts it in all the different recipes or menu items. So I'm going to put it in all recipes and fries. Hit the check mark, and there you go. You're done.